be done. All the social media troubles and trial. When Jesus Christ come, someone who can run on the other side. You could have come from TikTok, FlickTok, or you could have come from Facebook, or you could have come from YouTube. When Jesus come, it soon be done. All the social media troubles and trial. When that's come up, and it, what's up again? Speak my mind, family. Wagwan, wagwan, wagwan. Wagwan. Rumble in the jungle, man. Rumble in the jungle. Rumble in the jungle. Lord Jesus. Why them having Your Majesty at the front of the line from last week? It no look like nobody out to skip him. Because right now, Tina run out pan him, you know. And you know she have him as one of her biggest. I don't know with that. She have YMK as one of her biggest. I don't know. Me not think she have 99 so. Where the business part is concerned, yes, she have 99 as the biggest threat. But where the put her down is concerned, I don't know what me talk about. Yes, she afraid of Kris bad. So you say any little slim chance she get to gain some energy, to go at him, she go and take it. I don't know what Kris have said, but he must call her name, say she do or she do not. And she just take it up and she a run with it. But she get the energy and the boots from the same Rosealee with the police them and the TikTok saga with the leak video of she nude. But guess what happened now? As you hear me say previously, Rosealee dish out things, and when she dish it out and she get it back, she just accept it. It only sad that who's supposed to serve and protect her them leak the video. You understand? To whosoever leak it in a social media. But the condition of how she live under and the people them a slander her, yes, she forget it. Cause last week, as me say, she a go at Kris with another TikToker where them say shaky. You understand? She was one of them who put it out there. Say Kris Rayway. And from last week, this girl take it up and she post it on her platform. TGal. So now this week she get the opportunity to come out, come speak verbally. She just gravitate and take it because Kris must call her name allegedly. So she say me no here. So she come out here and she cuss out Kris Kakaklat. She cuss him left, right and center. Cuss him go, cuss him come. But most of the things them are the same whole story. Nothing new. Nothing new. But as me say, she come out in defense strong of Rosealee. Because it seems like Kris has made a statement that he's going to report Rosealee to the immigration. Because I think Rosealee, me say, like she get her bookings for a show in a United Kingdom. So probably that's why him say so. If him say so allegedly, I don't know. Because him know so she get her bookings. But we know most of these TikTokers, they always get them the booking. There were some of them not no visa, some of them just go look for them passport, them a hope. Sometimes it's just to boots whatsoever event I go keep. Yes, you don't know it. Got people put people on posters and they sitting there and then give excuse why them end up not come and one back. And them know from day one say them never they are gonna make it because certain criteria them not fit it. So that's the reason why Kris must say what him say if him say so. Because him know she have a show book for come. But she take it up and I run with it. And I call Kris, oh him this and him a stop poor people, this and him love right this and him a the right and I blame people. And she go on with herself. So me a gonna make you listen to all of this. But in the meantime, I don't know what they do. It is so easy. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. hit the thumbs up when you hit the video, and please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. When you see this video, in another 2 hours I will be posting the mountain give back. I still never see one of the lady, which is the eldest lady, but I have some clippings of a cook vlog. I take up space in my phone and some other things, and I need to get them out to create space in my phone. So basically me did wait for do the give back to put that video there together to release it. So me just put it back with one of the recipient and the cook vlog where me have steam some fish and bami and Irish and pumpkin. So they can stay tuned for that video there. But midday after this release, because when you not see this, probably midday after I release that. And you know that at the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. So if you don't follow me over there yet, go follow me. Please get that channel to 4,000 between now and next month, just before Easter. It needs 600 more. Maybe get it for the Easter, I'm satisfied. Because I'm not going to put down. Not even subscription. Waste free, I'm going to put down. But you know, go follow the channel. Family oriented channel, multi-purpose channel. Alright? And follow me on TikTok Life is a Mission TV. And please to go support my merch. Check out the website charmsandtrend.shop. And you can check the Instagram page charm_and_trends. Charm_and_trends on Instagram. Anything you see over there, you get it customized to your liking. And that's a good thing about shopping with Charms and Trends. You have the privilege, you know, to request what you want. If you are requesting the Speak My Mind merch, you know, you will get the name Speak My Mind or Life is a Mission TV. And anything else you want on it, you can choose whether you want to do any one of my slangs, or if it's even your name, or your daughter, or your son, or your husband name you want, you can request it. That's the good thing when you shop with Charms and Trends. Alright? So go support my merch then. Anyway, we're going to get in our post before we get into the video. We're going to show you how dirty nasty TGal love to be seen and like to show up her little dirty colors. She knows she don't stay good, but in her mind she just feel like she stay good after 2 surgery and not one of them no make. What you call now? The 2 of them no make one, right? You understand? So let me find the post. Instead of me around the time, make I find the post. So I don't know who follow 99 see it, whether upon our YouTube page or teaching you my cooking skill, where she do a little baking over the weekend coming into this week. And basically it's like the whole Valentine's setting, some art cake and stuff, strawberry art cake. You listen what TGal post on our platform. Ain't nobody gonna talk about them baking in their own kitchen question. Come on now. I was harassed and ridiculed for years for baking in mine. Wow. TGal, this is a total different thing from you. Your old talk that was out there about you baking in your kitchen, it was all because you have a washing machine and dryer right next to your oven. If you wake up one morning and your eye foggy, you don't know the oven different from the washing machine or the dryer. You can mistakenly take up one of your drawers for a plate cloth or a plate towel. And that's the main reason why people were coming at you about your kitchen. This is not the first time Dana bake in our kitchen. Remember, Dana used to bake into our own kitchen, even during them time there were people that talk about you and your kitchen. But the difference between Dana, our toilet and our washroom were separate. The washroom never next to the toilet, and the kitchen next to the toilet and the washroom. In a sense where they actually all in one. Actually, I don't say they are. Actually all in one. And you wasn't like baking for your personal use, you were baking for the public. And for the type of person you behave like you is in social media, of course people going to come out here and talk. Of course all the bad things that you have done to people and all where them business is concerned. You understand? People will talk. So don't come out here and make it look like it was an issue about you baking in your kitchen. It wasn't an issue. about you baking in your kitchen. It was an issue to how your kitchen set up. That was the issue. Because kitchen wasn't an issue because we all know Dana start baking in her kitchen before she come in a social media and improve herself and have a home bakery. So it's no longer her domestic kitchen. And as you can see, she has her domestic kitchen different from her place what she call her home bakery. And to God be the glory, she is well certified. Remember, she just recently get her Bureau of Standard certificate. And it's not like she have a huge bakery. It's from home. So who is you to talk? Or any other body of the sort? Eh? We know now come and say, oh, money run things at times. Money run things everywhere. The fact remain, she are certified. You understand? And money no run Bureau of Standard. Well, I'm not going to put my neck on the black, but I sure know. Knowing Dana the type of person she is, I was going to say money no run Bureau of Standard, but there's no way in Jamaica where money no run. But when you know a person to a certain level and know that certain chance they won't take. Me know Dana never they go take no chance like she buy her way in. No. Dana prefer go through the right channel, and if she fail, she go again. And when she get through, she feel like she get a good customer service from XYZ and she go and tip you and give you something, she will give it to you. But she not go take her money if you buy her way in. You understand? And all because of people like Uno. You understand? What makes you paranoid. Make I read one more before I get into the whole video of she and Kris. Because there's another post here also pertaining to the same thing. Oh, wait there. Oh, it was the same post. Yes, it was the same post. It was the same post. But me not try to show you how them always try to size up with the woman. And when them come with, it never have no substance yet. Because it's not like Dana never used to bake in a fair kitchen. Dana used to bake in a fair kitchen during the time you are baking in your kitchen. But it was two different type of settings. Dana never washroom and toilet in the kitchen. Like what you would have. Anyway, people, we could get into the main video. Boy, social media turn up east, west, north, and south to Rastaja. England, what they peace out there, Canada. It come a US now, it gone to England. And they are England and US. Boy, I mean, I tell you now. Anyway, listen.
Hey, that person over there call up my name in a things when me not even know about me oblivious to. When I call up my name in a
I want thing, she styling me now.
Yeah, you don't
I
like
know she not calling me. Not even the nickname them.
Don't call up my name, my youth.
One time
yeah,
she said big mouth.
But don't like you. And
So me I wonder if she serve documents. Paper serve to her? I don't know. Or she switch it. Do we not call him name now and she stop?
Don't call up my name. Because you're wicked.
Okay, for the company live I don't know what go on. I don't know who she attack. If me even not tell you now. Because I wait on the last she actually give her in.
Everybody have around me are nice people. And people respect each other's space. The people that want me have around me respect for one. When we respect for one in a space. Nobody no out here. The people that want me know, no out here violate nobody or carry news to nobody. No, we ain't got time for that. We are real people out here. We're business people out here. We're out here looking for cookies in our real life. We don't have time for carelessness.
You could have fooled me.
My friend them a buy a house, a move, a upgrade them life, and them friend them me having in my life. But I have careless people in my life. The people that want me know get up and go work every day.
Wow. So sad them can't say the same thing about you. How you feel? Come on. Let's be reasonable now. How you feel to come out here doing a video and saying this on a public platform about your friends? but at the same time your friends can't say this about you. So basically, you run into society, but you don't consider a part of that society. Because the achievement with that part of society achieve, you have not even on the brink of achieving that. And go see some of these people into America long after you. Why you not always come out here come highlight things like this and show up on yourself? And show up on yourself, you know. Because happily you can say this about these delusional people who you're thinking of, these invisible people in your head where you think of. You can say this about them. But these invisible people can't say this about you. Because one, you're careless. Two, you're not buying a house. Three, you're not mind your own business. And I make me go 4, 5, and 6. Sad. Sad.
You know what I mean? I do them thing. And them people that me know. Because me look up to them type of people that way I do. Them people that you have around you.
Yeah, look up to them, you have them around you, but nothing now fall off on you. Nothing.
Come on, try and dig up nothing about nobody.
That you say?
You understand? So don't come mix me in your foolishness, my you. You hear me, Mr. Lady? Don't mix my name in your mouth. Come and remember you. I don't remember you. No way, shape, or form. I remember you.
Lie. The tip of your tongue every day.
Don't call up my name in your mouth. I don't like you. Which part of that you're not understanding? Because my energy don't like you. The spirit not take you. Like what Jamaicans say. Them spirit not take you. The spirit was not take you. I don't like wicked people. You're wicked. And you're just wicked for just no reason. Just wicked because you're miserable. If I didn't mean like Rosalie, you see. If I didn't mean like Rosalie, you see. But me now say nothing. That's none of my business. If I didn't mean like Rosalie, you see. When you come out of your face.
I swing you try swing for Rosalie, you know. Because Rosalie in the spotlight. Yeah, Rosalie in the spotlight now. So you want to swing for Rosalie. Sooner or later, you're going to want to pop up on her life. Because so you stay. Anyway, the hype there, and the people them with them name a call, are there you want there. Because, haven't you here last week? What has happened? Yes, you do. You know why you're here? Because you come and talk about it last week. It's just because I know something that to me want to come black about or talk about. But when it did happen and said in social media, you was one of them who run and said, Sophia Donkey, one of the girl them cross on the other side, the taste book. Because on Facebook them depend on them a taster, so them depend on taste book. You understand? If I remember right, the fungo bongo one. You understand? And the sucky tucky one. Yeah, it's so that. Yeah. That one there. Because them not worthwhile calling them name. So I know you know that have been said, and Rosealee was one of them who putting it out there. And this is why Kris come out and say what him said. And it come back to me and say, you can't try tear me down. And when me try tear you down back, people are going to come out because I am not their favorite. And what I have done is wrong. But what you have done is not wrong in a freedom side. Because why? You are saying it about me, who is not their favorite. But me who's not their favorite said back something about you and then push themselves in front of it. You understand? Because with an allegation like that, what she come out with and run with, like something she know and stuff like that, or she have proof of it because she hear it elsewhere. Come on. It is a coming like me in my backyard and me talk something, and somebody over next door stay and hear because chew me the on top of my voice. Who want me talk there so never talk it if it go to the road? We just say it within one another. and the person who wants to take it and run with it. And you here and you take it now and start broadcast it because you have a platform where you can broadcast and it will quickly reach people's ears. Be sure you know you did hear that, you know. So why you come out for Kris, the man must defend himself. Eh? How much time people don't say nothing about you? Stone just throw and you pick it up and come out say you defend yourself. So why if the stone throw direct to this man and him know him because him name called towards it? You understand? Come on.
I talk about how you have a right embassy so that you can get our visa.
You know right immigration enough time too. And about no trouble.
Like you sit down and write letter about people and try to stop people from providing for themselves. And so you still have sit down and stop people from providing for themselves and helping themselves. You're like stopping people food. You understand me? I saw you steal. I have strength for woman. You don't have strength for man. You have strength for woman. Pick up yourself, gone over TikTok, gone free with people.
You get the opportunity to come at the man. You long to call him name, man.
I'm a member, you're not Tim Y. Don't call me name in your mouth.
Well, them call him name, man. Not you never gonna make that one you slide. Because you not call him name long time. And you're missing.
And what you do to my daughter, it not gonna away, no. Oh, it's a forever vengeance that me having in my heart.
What him do to your daughter when you was her woman, not do to her? Eh?
Yeah, because my job as a mother is to protect my children.
A lie.
And when you do to my daughter,
You
and make my
serious?
daughter feel pain, it not go so. May I tell you that?
The amount of pain you, hey, the amount of pain you as them mother make them feel. When you take that big risk over and over and over and never know when to stop till you get grabbed. Like a crab. Yes. Over and over you try it and it wasn't the first time. Me know it wasn't the first time. Me nah ask. Because most time, you lucky upon the first time. And then you see, like you tell you say, oh, it is so easy. So them want to get something hard. And then the little money wanna get sweet, you know. But you don't calculate the risk and the money wanna get set not worth it. So you continue and continue. Because you start sum up. If me do this 5, 6, 7, 8 times, me can make X, Y, Z. So you continue. And all of that what you do, you never consider your picking them. Anyway, that done and gone and you come back now. And your kids them becomes big people. Look how simple it is. Your child has a medical condition. And you spend more time on social media, in a people business, in a foolishness. Not even your business, you know. Say you're on social media promoting and try to get your life going because they becomes adult now. You understand? And they owe you no obligation to look after your welfare or your bills and all those stuff. So you have to do that for yourself. Or could I say, okay, yes, she a reality that, but she could have still go check them. No, you take the time for inner people business. And all kind of cascas and carry go bring come. When you should be spending that time with your child. You understand? So when you come out here, come go and like say people do your pitting nothing. Nobody do your pitting nothing more than what you do them. And you are them mother.
So stay far from me to not further make it get bigger and bigger. And make me even get more personal with you. Don't call up my name in your mouth. When you see
and
me
when
on
you
this
she
app,
know about
just
you.
ignore me.
Like she sound like she get some
Don't
new
call up my
armory.
name. Yeah? Whatever your lifestyle is, your sexual lifestyle is, or your business that, I could give two shits.
That's all you worry about. And use the opposite
Me
of
and
him.
you are no
If
friend.
somebody cares, use the opposite of him, you know.
Which part of that you don't
You
understand?
can't hide that, you know.
Don't
Use the
call up my name
opposite
in
of
your
him.
mouth. I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you. You hear me? I don't like you, so don't call up my name in your mouth. Because you're a wicked individual. You're wicked. You're evil. Don't call up my name in your mouth. Dirty, nasty, wicked, bad. Why? Don't call up my name in your mouth.
When the man come out back for you, you know, cry. Cause you know, when the man come back out for you, him go slander you, you know. And him go all places where you're not supposed to go. I don't hope him no last. I don't hope him no last. Cause I know when this man come back out for you, now go pretty. As well as he might just lower you too.
Yeah, just have strength for woman. Don't have strength for no man. Just woman you have your company's up and take set pan. With a torment itself. Go find something to do with your life, yo. Find something to do with your life. Go find something worthwhile to do with your blood clean life. I don't know how anybody consider you as a friend. Go find something to do with your life.
Wow.
With your whole.
Did you just say that? So all them friends where you just talked about a while ago, we're in a high places, them not run your file. And say you don't like people where they are ahead of you. These friends that you just talked about where buy house and ambitious and this and that and tarot, them never run your file. It not look like them run your file. Because if them did run your file, them would have say you don't like nobody where a progress more than you and they above you. You tear every single one down. All when you don't know them. All when you don't associate with them. So them are people where you just talk about a friend. So now ask that the question there. You ask some question, boy, me I tell them one day if you ask yourself first. When you go ask them the question, they put your face around the corner and put your hand over your mouth. Ask yourself the question first. Because I don't know which friend want to see you.
Washed up self. Go find something to do. Every minute you come out on the app, you look content, you come and call up me name. I see a dirty nasty boy. I don't like you.
I hope you can take it. 24/7, I hope you can take it. Up and down, 24/7, I hope you can
Anybody will
take
sit
it.
down there and talk about, oh, them are going to write letter to immigration about somebody. You CM1 claim that people write letters about you
No
to
claim.
immigration. And
You write
you
letter.
claim that people write letters about you. So you're supposed to know what it feels like. Why would you write letter to immigration about Rosealee? You don't sort out and all.
Why would you go on your page and write up all kind of sort of things about people business? Make us see if I can find one. I see it right there, make us see if I find it. Every time I want to sit in there, I can't remember which part of them. I go to the phone and I use it. Because I would have shown you two of the things that I find them having in my phone store all long. Or she take the woman Kate them and when she write over it and then she have another one and she put fear one side of it. All these things. Did you think about these things when you say what you say? So whether the man want to write immigration or not, you have done the same thing and even worse. And in this case, him have a reason. You have no reason when you write immigration. Your reason was just all about jealousy and bad mind and just feel like say, you know, these people is on top of you where business is concerned because you and them in the same field. You just go out of your way to try banter them to satisfy yourself. There was an allegation drawn against this man. And the man decides say the person who carry it out here run with it and spread it, he might go at them. And him say what him say. You understand? So me not think that give you a right to come out here and try to beat down the man for what him say when him have a reason to say what him say. Despite they might know what him preference is. You understand? But at the same time, him operate a business and with you saying all this can cause a problem in our personal life and where business is concerned. Because people can start to say all kind of things. You understand? So you know consider say that hurt him, whether or not you know it hurt him or can hurt him. So why if him come out and say what him say, it should have hurt you. Him said for hurt she and stop she because she a try for him. You understand? I'm in the factory working, hustling on the side. See some informers lurking, trying to stop my. But oh, you have to stop man hustling. You understand? She a try to stop the man hustling. So what if the man try to stop back fear hustling? You never see it that way there. So what she's doing can't liable to stop his hustling or slow down his hustling. So why not try back off of her hustling? Not turn the side there, you know. An eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. Because me not turn the side there. Me take it on that one, yeah. Me not turn the next one. It's a eye for a eye and a tooth for a tooth. Remember that.
You done washed up our hole and live your done out life already. I know you want to stop food for a younger person. You want to stop food for the girl and her child. She have kids to feed and she want opportunities to. You want to stop somebody bread or you write letter because the person talk about oh you GAY and you this and you that. So you don't do worse to people. You do worse to people. You do 10 times worse to people. If I didn't mean like Rosalie, you see, I make you get a nice ass whooping.
I call you one Rose, call your name, man.
Where? If it was me like
I
Rosalie,
want jump on Rose like live and she add in her box, so that you want. Move.
I make you get a nice ass whooping when you reach a Jamaica. I don't want them, who don't want them unalive you? No. Who don't want them just find you?
You just say that no.
You with some planks.
Because you don't want it to look too bad on social media. You just say that no.
Yeah, man.
But you'd love to see that. Where?
If it was me like she would even come out and get no more chattings. Just make them hold you somewhere and whop.
Support the merch, people. This is not personal wear anyway.
Why you want to do that to
I'm gonna
anybody?
make none of the merch them like this. This was a
Why would
first
you
step.
want to do that to anybody? We have to stop the girl of our kids them for feed. I don't know
Support the
much
merch. See it there? Support the merch.
You want to write letter about oh she talk about your gig. Now you go over there and freak with the girl. With that big old washed up self. True, you all are washed up our life, don't you?
You hear your
want
life?
you want to freak up other people's life. You don't want nobody reach your head in a life.
You hear your lie? Say him go over there go trouble her. When I hear she hear something and she just spread it. Because remember you know, them say anything more than one somebody know a secret. And you have some people in a life just sit and wait to hear things, don't get to the bottom and the nitty gritty of it. Them just ploops and let it go and blow it out of proportion. And once them say it, in a feed them circle with them there, you know what that mean. It's like a windstorm around here. It just goes shh. And within 2 minutes you can see us and hear it at Colombia, Costa Rica, El Salvador, Honduras. Because these persons who go so and let it go, they build for them type of something. If you want one rumor spread fast, or any story, or any news spread fast, you have certain people, all you have to do is just go against them and say it, or make it reach them ears. Them not sit a minute or two and think about it and sift through it and say, I wonder if I true. You know, some here say the dog lift up the jerk pan cover and go in there go take out the whole of the meat. But how the dog do that? No. If you hear that, you just run with it and say, oh, me not buy no jerk from him because see there. Me say the dog just lift up the pan and just go in there. Oh, the dog lift up the pan. You know, stop and think. You just run with it and blow it out of proportion. And that's exactly what she do. Why the man go fear her. Well, and stop talk bias because you know, you know, because you post it, you know. You post the allegation, you know. Either you post or you come and you talk about it. But I think I write something about it. Just like how Sophia Dunkley do. And the next two over Facebook. Because a taste of them, you know. So on a Facebook, them depend on a taster. Although you have to face it for taste it. But you understand? Yeah.
Ongo you for reach your head. So all of the suckings and jukings and sitting where you get, you still not reach your head in a life. You don't want nobody else get it for themselves. Move your nasty blood clot.
But the amount of that you get you know, reach out in a life and in there either you. You can't cuss him. In there either you. By far too.
Rosalie, you say that about bad part of Jamaica, if me know say me come from some bad, if it was me like she, I'm down there, ray, me just make them find you when you're down there.
Seaview Garden is not as bad as Telaville. Seaview Garden is just what they. Telaville, where you come from and live for how much years in a dirty water. Sewage water run past your doorway in the abandoned building you want to capture and turn on a home. You and many others. Where sewage water just a flow past on down a Barry Street. Where you, when you're there Jamaica or when him there Jamaica, you can't take up your phone and make a link. Last year you come here, you pass through down there. So you're supposed to have fresh contacts and links. So when you come talk about if you was like Rosealee and you live in a bad people place and Telaville far better than even now. Me never go back in the history. Because back in the 80s when it was the BLOOD. Yes, you understand? Seaview never depend the map. Seaview Garden never depend the map. And up to today, Telaville rank amongst one of those garrison community where all kind of things happen. So why you don't do it? Oh, you want to sit down and somebody do things say you want you sit down and enjoy it and laugh and rejoice. You don't want to get your hand messy that way. Okay. Who you to? I wish bad for people and then I talk about, oh, I don't want them to really analyze him. I don't want to see that. You don't really want to see that right now. Me not tell you. But God forbid. Because when you take the social media thing too personal and serious. And that's how I reach and end up at the stage I want to do right now. Majority of you want to take social media thing too serious. You just come out here and you say something about somebody that like it and them come at you and you might go back at them. Or you can look into it and say, "Cho, we made it say make him come out." So yeah, I didn't even say nothing more about it. Let's leave it there. So no. You don't want to prove who bad. You don't want to prove who can do this and who can do that. And then you blow things out of proportion where it becomes physical at times. That you're afraid to even walk like you come to Jamaica. Are you uncomfortable? You understand? You can't even go live because you don't want nobody know say boy you're there right here. So all you do is video. You will love go live so much. All you do is video. Because you know the video post after. So you can there so you make a video. And when you release the video, you're there in our next parish. The live, everybody know automatically where you're there. I mean, if you left from where if you come for you, I can't have a link which part you're there, I just go up on my phone. Because technology will cost all of this rate for gone up. A man can't stay anywhere, then no one call a man and say, yeah, you know, say me see him, yeah, you know, say me see her. Alright, here what you gonna do? Just deal with it now. Because you don't know me the far out, me can't forward, you know. And if me try to forward by them time, the movements, I go on and, you know. So here what you deal with it, I get John or Harry to deal with it. So you're afraid to go live. So all of these come out here and yap and go on like you're bad somebody. Hey, me can't wait for the day when you're a female ketchup. No pepper, you know, ketchup. With a Grace, Calls, Mustard, Delight. We just want to know ketchup. For you prove yourself. Because you always come out here like you're this tough. Yes, you're barky. That type of tough there is. You understand? And the barky type of tough you is. But you always come out here come go and like say, oh, you will fly up and pitch up in a people's face. You understand? But they might break your bat wing. Yeah man, they might break your bat wing. Behave yourself. Stop come out here come go and like you're this girl. And you're not. Because of that I go reach you know. One of them there, it will catch my life. Somebody say, oh man said it go on like she are bad people all along. And we happening at the club. I saw one of them there, yeah. You will come out every day, come cap and yap like, you know, you're a bull buck and dopey conqueror. And you can't wait for do this. And make a girl or a boy ever see me and say this and see what happen. Yes. You know, like you're a young girl, you're known for used to do things back in the days. Like some of them top girl there where you used to do things in the days. And so you make it look like you have the name there out there, you can't go back there. Nobody don't know you, man. You're somebody, man.
Just put on some good beating for you. When them done with you, would have straighten up. Your not knee would have disappear. When them done with you.
Don't worry. You might buck up and go to extract them rotten teeth out of your head without you pay $1. Don't worry, man.
The one of we as Jamaicans come from a country, yeah?
You soon buck up and girl to extract them rotten teeth out of your mouth and you don't have to pay $1.
Everybody always look for opportunities. Everybody look for better themselves. In some positive way, shape or form. You know. You come here through, you reach UK, not even through the right channels. I have to claim asylum for runway go to UK. So you know the struggles.
It is also a channel.
As somebody will have to claim asylum.
It is also a channel, because it was not a channel, it couldn't work.
Somebody, people being prejudiced towards you because of your sexuality. You know the struggles. You know the struggles of a fight, come to England and get your book and you want to tell stories. Oh, I remember when I used to sleep on floor. And I remember when, so why you don't want somebody else have the same experience to help out for themselves and for them life?
So why should I want somebody to have the same experience when that person trying to tear me down? I tell you already, you know. Me fight fire with fire. And that me believe, you know. Because me nah throw no water upon you. And swear say you're out. And me still say look smoke and me take stick and push and me say boy, okay, I just smoke. And by the time me turn me back and walk, go down the road, me put down the bucket and me take through the water upon you, blaze up back upon me. Me, fire with fire. Burn out the rubbish, man. Burn out the rubbish. The rubbish have to burn out somehow. So one heap of the rubbish have to burn first. Before me get comfortable. Fight fire with fire. Not water. You mad?
You know the struggles of any Jamaican. Anybody where come from a third world country.
So all of the people when you try bring down them business, you never know for them struggle when you try do what you do. You know make no sense.
Dram crop.
Crow bait. You want something like this to walk with, to identify who you are. You want something like this to walk with, just to identify who you are. You don't know who carry this down. The 2 teeth farm.
Fuck out of here. You are somebody
Dev. Not Dev, you know. Not Dev, you know. Dev. Not Davil, but Dev. Not Davil. You already get involved.
As a spectator.
Because you like Rose in the limelight now, so you want Rose call your name or add it to her life.
I find somebody down in Jamaica. You know Jamaica, anything goes, unfortunately. So might as well. Find somebody for beat you down there.
Yeah, look Rose add it to her life on TikTok, man, that's your one.
Straighten out them not need the way you have. That bend up with the way you have. Straighten you out. You're too wicked. You even speak that out of your mouth. You're wicked.
You don't speak it, you just do it.
But speaking it is another. You're wicked.
Speak it and don't do it is one. But don't speak it and do it is another. How much time you right?
Him and his friend them. Him and the other one don't like woman. None of them don't like woman. They're both, one is out the closet, one is still in the closet fooling up everybody. We know they don't like women. We know. It's no secret.
You know the number man that chat.
But one thing
number man.
I'm telling you what me, Murray and Tina Chin Walters now do. Me not back from none of them.
You also want to share about
if
this?
you's a girl, they go deal with you like a girl. Yeah?
Them talking me want to see she call up with somebody call her up.
Cause them love big power women
extract them teeth out her head. Wait no cost her $1.
Take on a man,
yeah,
a woman them a take on.
When
You
people go
notice
on
that?
like them bad, so everybody wants to them get called up to prove themselves. Everybody. And me I want them somebody wants to somebody call her up. Me don't want no man, no female like herself. And a female just by looking at the female even look underrated like it couldn't happen.
Outside of social media like that, right? You bold enough to fuck up somebody's future over exchange of words. What else are you capable of doing? You're capable of unaliving somebody there. So that means that all of them time they will
All what you
come out
have
and
done,
tell
you
people,
capable of doing the same thing.
because you're capable of doing all of the above.
The record where you have out the people that think the same thing about you.
Don't call me name. If you never called me name yesterday, we wouldn't be here. Don't call me name and I come out and accuse me of things I don't know nothing about. Don't do that. Don't do that. Me and you on a size. Don't do that. You understand me, dirty boy? Stay over England where you're there.
No, no, who she attack, don't it? So long before she get a clue.
Me and you on a size. You're not in my caliber.
Wow.
You understand? You just step on. You bounce from one act to the next.
Is he behind you, or he's in front of you, or he's on top of you? Which one of them? State it clear. He's not in your caliber. Them not in my league. Them not in my league. Them not in my. So is it that he's behind you, in front, or up? Let me know.
It's a big look hunger belly change. You see me I bounce from up to up run down change? No, I ain't doing that shit.
You're not glad to make money off of TikTok right now. Where?
In your business place,
If I'm a children, you're not glad to make off of TikTok if I'm every 2 days.
In your business place, I thought be a nasty argument. Be a nasty argument. In your business place.
Then a man won't name a parent feed. Like what? Messi she put on post also. Say, Kris I look content of her for PM rent. Kris I look content of you for PM rent. Could you too?
Don't mix me in on the slackness. Cause you notice me take for myself from home. Over here, so me in my own. I always by myself. I do my own thing. Don't mix me in on the slackness, man.
I still a people and searching at other people's business over here.
And what's joke to Uno? What's joke to Uno is DEATH to me. Right? I'm gonna play them joke there. Don't play them joke there with my image and my character. Don't play them joke there with my reputation. Don't play them joke there.
What reputation?
You understand? Don't play with me.
Oh, a fool of girl, man. What reputation you have, girl?
Go and get the look.
Remember you have public records out there, you know, so what reputation?
Because them run on the look $100, the look $200 per social media just for fight this little dirty boy battles. You know?
Boy, reputation. What reputation you have when you have public record out here?
Don't come on here calling up my name. Talk about, me do this and me do that and me bust out window. What the freak? You think me have time? You think me have time for waste? Eh? Think me have time for blood clean waste with you careless people on social media? What's you think me have time for blood clot waste? You think me gonna get to the night car and drive?
You know what I'm saying? I see if I do a video, especially when it's shit are done. You can't know when time them
boy, don't call up my name. Nasty boy.
stress out, you know.
You want everybody to respect you because of your homosexuality, but you don't want to respect other people. Make that make sense? So you want people to respect you, and you don't want people to call you names. You don't want people to call you derogatory names or make reference of your sexual whatever. But it's okay for you to come out and style people in a derogatory way. It's okay for you to do that. It's okay for you to come out and drag people's children, but nobody's supposed to put you in your place. When it come on to cussing up, my youth, right? As much as a lot of us might not dislike gays, yeah, we might not dislike you, but cuss, right? And if you're gonna be disrespectful to people and and disrespect to people's families and people's kids and all of these other stuff, then the person has the right to retaliate in any which way they see fit.
And that's just what him do. For the person where you come out here and pick up for, where I try to make a base of your story and your content, that's exactly what him do. But you come out here now and contradict yourself, because if you are going to feel satisfied with somebody doing that, that's exactly what him do. So why you not feel satisfied with what him do? Because he's not your favorite. But you're out here picking up for somebody who try to bring down people every day for the same 100 and 200 where you are talking about on social media. Because probably she's your favorite, or if she's not your favorite, it's because the next person is even worse than your favorite. So you decide to slide over this. So. And then because, you know, she have a little thing going on in a social media now, you want to itch up on the back wagon because you want a flight out. Me not surprised if before the week don't you jump on her life, you know, she add in the box or add up on her life, you know. Yes man, me not surprised because them things that you work for.
Right? You don't get that chance to come out here and drag people and talk negatively about people and write letters and troll people and things that people now gonna come out and talk about your sexuality. You know, that doesn't make you exempt. Your sexuality exempt from being dragged. Huh? What goes for the goose goes for the gander, right? You think you're special? What you do in your bedroom doesn't make you special. You do know that, right? What you do in your bedroom or your choice in your bedroom doesn't make you special. Doesn't make you special to me. I don't give two shit. Doesn't make you special to me. I could give two shit. I've been on this earth for too damn long. I've seen too much.
And you have done too much too.
What you do in your bedroom doesn't make you special.
You don't only see too much, you have done too much too. Don't let out the part.
Like I said this morning, I'm prepared. Just write me a letter, man. Send my name. You say you sit on the board. Send my name to the board of the alphabet people. I would love to sit down and have a conversation with them face.
Mine you get to, you know, one.
Oh boy, I would bask in that.
Mine you get to, you know, what, lady. Don't ask who you don't want, you know. Like, it must come the way you want it. And they might just last you.
You know when I call up my name for Sophia? I mean, in my own local world, yes, so. I mean, I see. When I call up my name for? Like me and my friend. Friend, and I don't like it. Which part of that you not understand? I don't like you, my youth. The minute you touch for my daughter, you take it to another level. Like you know what it is to bring a child into this world. You know what it is? To have your vagina open up and push out life. You know what that is about? No. You don't know what labor pain feels like. No.
Push out life when you don't care about.
You yourself don't even have a mother in your life. You don't have no parents.
What care you did have when you push out those life when you talk about?
What motherly love or fatherly love feels like.
When you make the decision that you have made over the years where your kids are concerned.
Because you don't know what it is.
You just want to use the man to concuss him now. That you are trying to do.
You feel sorry for you now, you need to go seek counseling. That's not my job to feel sorry for you. I could give two shits if you didn't have any parents. You're grown enough to know right from wrong. And certain things you don't do. And to hear you talk about the girl deserving.
Look who I try to school somebody. Look who I try to school somebody. When you just look who I try to school people, you know.
Right mind would sit down and say a woman deserves that. No, your moral compass is broken. You know what?
I really don't want to ask you a question. You're on social media. I mean, know you're there on TikTok. Me just join TikTok in December. And me read up enough of them people here. Like me, I looking at me and Migla and I read it. Me know them like me and Migla. You are going to tell me, say, you no see nothing with the same individual we have vindicate for. I've done to nobody out here. Remember, now, you know, as me say, no, me I put the unruliness, the unprofessionalism of the police aside. I'm not condoling. They are here to serve and protect. I'm not going to wait till it reaches my doorstep. Me talk. But away from the whole exposure, where our living condition exposed, out in the yard, entering the little veranda space in the house, for somebody who out here who cuss off people on a daily basis for the same kinds where you are talking about. You understand? And tell them all them this, and they might not do this to them picnic, and how them live, and where them have from, where them not have. At one time, I think she has say, tell come on social media if I not lie, come say a king size bed she has sleep on. And that bed is not even a queen size bed. But put all of that aside. With all these people where she got, with this exposed now, the way it exposed, it shouldn't expose that way there, as me say, because law enforcement shouldn't be the one to expose her like that. But that gone already. The people them should go out there in and try to tear down and cuss off and tell all kind of manner of evil things. And when them talk something, she stand up and she sit down. Oh, them can't talk anything. Me not no shame. What them can't. Just the other day, the same guy where them accused of doing it, we know them like that because them come from the same community. Say him get a video with her mother doing XYZ. She jump up, post it, me no business. That can me, you go like me. My mother left me from much. Hey. And my mother never liked me, the people, my family, them tell me, say, my mother never this. And she, like, she not have nothing name shame. So all of a sudden now, shame dead. Oh, all of a sudden now, shame dead. That's why I said enough time when I come on and just cap and chat. But you know mean nothing want to say. Because when the right time come, you know quail up like Calalo after hours. Remember me telling the man.
Have none. You don't have no moral compass at all. It's broken. Because you can open up your mouth, you open up your face, and say this girl deserved to be humiliated. You are drunk, bro. Just think about the depths of that. Somebody to say something like that. Think about the depths of that. And he's an adult. He's not a child. You're a drunk, bro.
Yes. Don't worry, Rosalie, I'll call you before the week done. Just send a request for her life.
Your mother should have swallowed you. Your mother should have flushed you down in a conch. Your mother should have flushed you in a condom. Yes, she should have. You're one of those people who deserve to be flushed in a condom.
You never need to flush.
You're just on this earth taking up air.
You never even want to end up that you have to flush. You should tie up in a one black scandal bag. Instead of a condom, yeah. You know one of them little food bag where them put the little small 2 pound one, but one black one. We don't want no clear one. Because we never want to see. You understand? We never want to see nothing. We just want it in a one black one. And then just tie it and wheel it. Koyoto. Come and buy out people argument because what? Rosalee dey on top now because she in the limelight to do what happened to her. So you come and talk. How can you talk about somebody who have done so many things to people just like yourself? And now it reaches with everybody that say karma, because when me younger, me never used to use it already. So me never want to use it. Me used to use it all the time. One of them say reaches you, reaches me. When you think for your man, think for yourself too. When you dig hole, dig two. Them talk them me used to. Anyways, speak your mind, people bless upon yourself, and thanks for watching. I don't know where really are going to England, but England look like it in a look upstore. Because all the England blagger them, name a mix up and a call up in a this and that and that. And who na go off who a come off who. You don't know what they do. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video, and please to watch it as continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV, and follow me on TikTok Life is a Mission TV, and favorited Life is a Mission TV. The cash app is there. You ask her to get it. When you gift me, I use a gift to give back to the needy. Check the link in the comment section, $ Charms and Trends, and please remember, check out my merch, support my merch. They're on the website charmsandtrend.shop, the website that. Alright, and you can go on Instagram for the business page, charm_and_trends, and check it out. Anything you see over there, you get it customized. The good thing about shopping with Charms and Trends, you have the privilege to request what you want. Alright, bless upon yourself and peace out.